So always remember that cyclone is very harmful for the human being. Okay. Now just see this high speed winds damage houses, telephones and other communication system and loss of life and public property. That is why what is there now a lot of government expenditure is needed to restore the normal life, otherwise normal life will be paralyzed. Okay. Now so in this way the destruction caused by cyclones I have explained you. Now just see there is a one more topic in your science book, that is tornadoes. What is the tornadoes? Tornadoes is nothing but a dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to ground. You might have heard that in some countries like Philippines, Japan, means those countries which are near the seashore. This tornadoes is very common phenomenon. Okay, what is happening? Dark funnel shaped cloud that reaches from the sky to ground. That is also causing a lot of damage. Okay. And now try to understand during cyclone what is there. Wind speed is very high. So there is a one instrument that measures the wind speed, that is called the anemometer. And I will show you the diagram of anemometer. Okay. Please make their diagram. This is this one. Just see. This is anemometer. This particular. Hello. Hello. Madam will give, now I am taking class. Yes. Okay. So this anemometer is helping in the weather forecasting also. Okay. If weather forecast is there, then what is there? Anemometer must be there. If anemometer is not there, now meteorological department will face a lot of problem. Okay. So please make their diagram. Once again I am showing, this is page number 90. Okay. This diagram you have to make. This is anemometer.
Your video is fast and your voice is not audible.
Okay, still not audible. Hello. Okay. Now I am audible. Okay. So just see, this anemometer is very useful in weather forecasting. Okay. If anemometer is not there, scientist, meteorological department may not forecast the weather. Okay. Now I am going to teach you safety measures. Okay. So that safety measures I will rub this one and will teach you. Okay. Just a minute. Okay.
Sir, we are waiting, sir.
Okay. Right. Now am I audible now? No issue.
You are take screenshot. No issue, sir. You are audible. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. You are audible.
So again I am muting you people. Okay. And
Sir,
will
don't rub, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, sir. Sir, rub. Please don't rub. We are writing. Sir, taking screenshot. You are take screenshot. No, in my screenshot.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Just a minute. Some people are in the lobby. Let me take them in. Okay. So now everybody has joined now. Okay. So I am moving towards the another topic, that is safety measures. Okay. And I am putting color mic also. Please note down the things. Okay, just a minute. Full I will not rub, only beginning portion I will rub. Okay. So just see here, safety measures. Safety measures. A cyclone forecast and warning services. A cyclone forecast and warning services. Rapid communication. Government agencies. Third one is construction of cyclone shelter in cyclone prone areas. Administrative measures, to shift people in safe places. Okay, just see. So let me explain all those things. Okay. Okay. Yes, dear cadets. Hello. I have unmuted you. Please speak. Okay. Cadets, I have unmuted you. Please speak.
Okay, sir.
No issue.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
My voice was okay.
Yes, sir. Please explain, sir. Explain, sir.
Okay. So just see. Now I have removed the caller mic also because I am near the mobile. Okay. Just see here. So what safety measures we have to take or government has to take during cyclone? So just try to understand. First one is a cyclone forecast and warning services should be there. Okay. What is the function of these warning services? They may issue warning in advance that cyclone may hit in these areas so that people may take safety measures. So that should be there. Second one is rapid communication of warnings to the government agencies. Means communication system should be rapid so that the government agencies can be alerted and they can take administrative action to save the people. Third one is construction of cyclone shelter in cyclone prone areas. What should be there? In cyclone hit areas or cyclone prone areas, what should be there? Cyclone shelter should be there. What should be there? Cyclone shelter should be there. So that whenever cyclone is there, people may take shelter in those cyclone shelter homes and they can save their life. Next one is administrative measures to shift people in safe places. Means what should be there? If very strong administrative measure is required to move the people from cyclone prone areas to the safe places. Okay. So these are the some of the measures which has to be taken during cyclone time. You might have heard about the new railway minister and IT minister Ashwani. Have you heard or not? Mr. Ashwani, do you know why he has been made the IT minister and railway minister? Because he used to be the district collector of Cuttack Bhubaneswar area, and you know these areas are cyclone prone areas, and during his regime very strong cyclone came, but due to his administrative action there was no loss of public property and life. Okay. So then government become very happy, and now political parties leader also become very happy. Okay. So administrative action plays very important role during the cyclone time. Otherwise huge loss of public property and life may take place. So in this way this safety measures also I have completed. Now action on the part of the people. What people should do during the time of cyclone? So I will write that one also. Okay. Have you written this one?
Yes, sir. You can rub, sir.
So shall I rub this one?
You can rub, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. If you have not written, you can take the screenshot and later on also you can write. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We have written.
Okay. So again I am putting the color mic because I have to move towards the blackboard. Okay. Now good boys, today there is no hooligan, there is no shouting. I am extremely happy. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay. In this way only you should maintain the silence so that I would be able to teach. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, we are proud about our section, sir. We are proud about our section, sir.
Good. But yesterday one boy has shared the screen. I am not happy. Abhishek Malgaudar. Okay? You should not do like that. Okay, so I am rubbing.
Okay, sir. Sorry for that doing.
Okay, no problem, but don't repeat. Okay. So just see action on the part of the people. Okay. So I am rubbing this one. Action on the part of the people. B should not ignore the warning. B should not ignore the warnings issued by government agencies. Second one, B should make necessary arrangements to shift the essential household goods and animals. Okay. Next one is avoid driving on the road. Through standing water. Keep ready the phone numbers of all services like police, fire brigade, fire brigades and medical center. Okay, so just see here. Now I am removing now. Okay, just see. Yes dear cadets. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible.
No issues?
Yes, sir. You are. Sir.
Okay, so just see what are the action on the part of the people should be taken. Just see. First action we should take during cyclone time, that we should not ignore the warnings issued by the government agencies. Okay, whatever warning is issued by the government agencies like Meteorological Department of India through television and some other communication measure, we should not ignore. We should be alert, we should follow. Second one is we should make necessary arrangement to shift the essential household goods and animals. Just see, the moment warning is issued, what we should take? We should shift the necessary items, household items, like what to say, eatables and water and some other things to the safe places, including animals like cows, buffalo, or some other animals are there. Otherwise, what would be there? We may save our life, but those animals, they may die. So it is essential that not only essential household items should be shifted, animals should also be shifted, because they are our friends. They should also be shifted. They are our pet. Okay. Next action should be taken on the part of people is avoid driving on the road through standing water. Just see, during cyclone what is there? Now strong winds are there. Moreover to this, areas which are near the seashore, water may rush to the roads and that may be damaged. So we should avoid driving on the road through standing water. Okay, that time. Keep ready the phone numbers of emergency services. During cyclone time, what we should do? We should keep ready the phone numbers of emergency services like police, fire brigades and medical centers, so that as and when times come, very easily we can call them and we can get their services. So these are the some of the action plan which we should take in our part. Okay, so that the destruction caused by the cyclone can be minimized. Okay, so these are the things which we should take care. Okay, I hope that you understood. Understood?
Understood, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Any issues?
No, sir. Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You are audible and visible, sir. Sir. You are audible and visible, sir.
Okay, so now what is there? Almost whatever important things are there, I have explained you. Now what is there? There are some other things which I have to explain. In addition to these action, we can take certain other precautions also. Okay, what are these precautions? Like we should not drink water. Okay, that could be contaminated. Means we should drink water, but water which is drinkable. We should not drink water which is spilling here and there. Okay, that is contaminated water and that may okay, just a minute, just
See, your video is off, sir.
हाँ, just a minute. Okay.
Sir, I have one doubt in general, sir.
हाँ, just a minute. I will solve your doubt. Don't worry. Just a minute. Just a minute.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ask.
Sir, you said that the one collector have been made the railway minister, sir.
Yes.
Sir, that he would continue the collector and also
No.
railway minister too. Also, he would continue. Only collector, only railway minister he should continue, sir.
He has resigned from the DC post and joined the political parties. Okay. He is Rajya Sabha MP from Odisha. Okay.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Sir. Hello.
Okay. Now blackboard is visible. Hello. Okay. Hello. Yes, now it is okay. हाँ, okay. हाँ, okay. So just see what I was explaining. I was explaining we should not drink water which is spilling here and there. Do not touch wet switches and fallen power lines. At that time, what is there? So many electricity pole may fall down. So we should not touch the poles and wires. Do not go out just for the sake of fun. At the time of cyclone, we should not move here and there because we may fall in trap of cyclone. Okay. Do not pressurize the rescue force by making undue demands. So at that time, what is there? Paramilitary forces and some other commandos may be deployed in your areas. So you should not pressurize them to meet the undue demands. Cooperate and help your neighbors and friends. At that time, what should be there? We should cooperate our neighbors and friends so that they may also be evacuated from cyclone prone areas. Okay. So these are the some other things, very common things which we should take care at the time of cyclone. Okay. Now advanced technologies. What are the advanced technologies? Cyclone alert, cyclone watches, cyclone warnings. These are the better protected in the early parts of the last century. So hello dear cadet.
Wait, friend.
Just a minute.
Turn on.
It is getting on.
The blackboard is visible.
Okay, just a minute. Okay. Visible?
Yes, sir, visible. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now I am going to explain you some advanced technology. Okay, in this way I will wind up the chapter. Okay, I have applied collar mic. Advanced technology. So advanced technology has played very important role in minimizing the destruction caused by the cyclones. Okay, cyclone alert. Cyclone alert. By satellite satellites and radar. Cyclone warnings through mass communication system. Mass communication system. Okay, cooperation by international organization. Okay, so just see here. Okay, so this is the last topic. Okay, am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Haan. So please note down this one also. Advanced technology. Cyclone alert is issued with the help of satellite and radar system. Cyclone warning through mass communication system like television, radio and some other systems. Nowadays WhatsApp, Koo app, Twitter, so many things are there. Now cooperation by international organization. There are so many international organizations, they also cooperate at the time of cyclone. Okay, so in this way your chapter is almost completely completed. NCERT exercise is left. Okay, so something I will do for the NCERT exercise also. So I hope that you have understood everything which I taught today. Okay,
Understood, sir. Understood. Yes, sir. Understood, sir. Yes, sir. And written also. We miss you, sir.
okay, thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye, sir.